jobs are fixed salary. Doesn't matter how much you do, you get the fixed amount of income. And that keeps you perpetually poor. Sales is the only position where you decide how much you want to make. If you want to buy the house in 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, you decide. It's a function of how hard you work and how smart you work.
Hey Tom Peng, love what you're doing on your channel, buddy. Super congrats. You know, giving your time and energy to nonprofit business channel. Look man, keep driving that audience. So Tom Peng, look forward to spending some time with you. I know you got the right mindset, so I'd love for you to share some of that from the big V. God bless, be great. 10X.
All right, hello everybody. My name is Tom. I'm the CEO. Welcome, congratulations.
Chào mừng các bạn đến với media.
Did you all meet your team members?
Yes.
As you did, you know each other now? And you know the A1, A2, A3, A4?
Yes. Yes.
Hanoi, Kantar, iPhone, the name? Okay, so you are a company, right? So today, we're gonna pretend we're companies. We're gonna practice running our companies for 6 months. So every company has a CEO, every company has a CFO, every company has salespeople. Maybe you decide what your roles are. But it's important that everyone in the company participate. Right? You need everyone in the company to participate to be successful. Make sense so far?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna do 6 months. The company that has the most points at the end of 6 months will have the glory of being the winning team. And also, money. The top team is gonna get money from me. Money, lots of money. Okay, I don't know how much, but at least 2 million. Depending on your performance. If I see the whole team participate, then money amount go up. That's the reward part. There's also punishment for the loser teams. Because when you run a business and you run out of money, what happens? A1, yeah? A1. 51's A1. That's why you go bankrupt. The business stops. When you go bankrupt in our simulation, you have two choices. You declare bankruptcy, you declare you're a fucking loser.
Các bạn thừa nhận mình là một người thất bại VL và rời khỏi đây.
Did she say fucking? Oh yeah. Okay, good. Alright. Yeah, you leave. Happened last week. Last week the 19 left. Some people come back from last week. So it only happened twice in all of the time that we were doing this. You have to be a total loser to go bankrupt here, man. Very simple. You just have to answer questions, ask questions. If I see you and you get noticed, then you get points. We're doing that because getting attention is a very important skill for salespeople. If salespeople cannot get attention from customers, they have no deals, which means no income, which means bankruptcy, which means living with your mom and dad, which means never get married, which means always single, no sex. Yeah, that's right. Right, you want that? You want no sex? No. No. Okay. All right. Yes. Everybody understand me, right?
Yes.
All right. So which team's gonna win? All right. Okay. You all say that, and then what happens? So somebody said they want to buy a house. They want to make enough money to invest in real estate. 2T to invest in real estate is not enough. Okay, totally not enough. But let's say somebody, I think Kantar want to buy real estate in, right? 3T?
Cần Thơ, 6 million
Six-
apartment.
6 billion or 6 million?
600 million apartment.
It must be shit apartment. The toilet is probably a hole in the ground. Is that right? Like you have to go like this over the hole. I don't know. Who else said something?
He said that they don't have enough money to buy like you.
Well, let's change that. Let's change that. What do you want?
You want to make 3 days in 3 years to buy style and
Oh, okay. Buy a house where?
ở quận mấy ạ? Tân Bình.
Around here, near the office. Easy to go to work. Okay. That sounds like a reasonable wish, right? A house about 3T, maybe an apartment about 3T, probably a 2-bedroom with a parking lot, your electric car, and beautiful wife, and make little kids, right? Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, all right. So about 3T to get that started. About right, yes. Okay. How long? How long are you gonna make 3T?
Đến năm 2025.
Let's do it within 12 months. Okay? So do it faster so you have more time to make babies. Yeah, okay? Okay. Oh, I will tell you how to do it at the end of the day. So it doesn't matter what you want. Maybe you want to buy a car, a house, maybe to help your family, or maybe just become a social activist and save the environment, save the whales, save the dolphins.
Bảo vệ cá heo.
Save the dolphins is like sea pig.
Dạ. Cá heo.
Right? So say that I don't know what you want, but all of those things take money. You're not saving the dolphins if you have no money. Okay? Dolphins need money.
Tại vì cá heo nó cũng cần tiền.
Right? So we're gonna teach you how to make that money.
Thế là chúng tôi sẽ dạy cho các bạn biết cách để kiếm được số
In
tiền
only
đó.
5-10 years, I need 12 months. I will give you exactly the steps to do it. Can it be done? Yes. Can all of you do it?
Yes.
Yes, but it's not easy. It requires hard work and working smart. There's no way you can get away from working hard, which means get up in the morning, go to bed late at night, maybe planning what you're gonna do next day. Sometimes go see customers on the weekend, maybe travel to Down Nine, maybe travel to Big Go see big customers with the big factories, close big deals. You gotta do all of that. Right? If you want money, if you wanna get married, have nice house, car, beautiful children, that's what you have to do. Make sense so far?
Yeah.
And you know what? Sales is the only job that allows you to do that. There's no other job that allows you to do that. Any other job, you are perpetually poor, right? So if you're an accountant, if you're, I don't know, content writer, working customer service, most jobs are fixed salary. Doesn't matter how much you do, you get the fixed amount of income. And that keeps you perpetually poor. Sales is the only position where you decide how much you want to make. You want to buy the house in 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, you decide. It's a function of how hard you work and how smart you work. Everybody understand me so far?
Yes.